Hey there, Snapchat enthusiast. Are you facing a device ban on Snapchat? Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the Snapchat device ban on iOS and Android. Step 1. Clear app cache. The first step is to clear the app cache on your device. Go to your device settings, find the Snapchat app and clear the cache. This will help remove any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Step 2. Update Snapchat. Next, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Head over your App Store and check for any available updates. Keeping your app up to date can often resolve compatibility issue. Step 3. Check for software updates. It is also important to check for any software updates on your device. Sometimes an outdated operating system can cause conflicts with Snapchat. Go to your device settings, look for the software update option and install any available updates. Step 4. Reinstall Snapchat. If the previous steps didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the device ban. Just remember to log back in with your credential after reinstalling. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If none of the previous steps work, it is time to reach out to Snapchat support. They have a dedicated team that they can assist you with device bans and other Snapchat account related issues. Visit the Snapchat support website or reach out to them through the app for further assistance. And that's wrap, folks. We hope this video helped you resolve the Snapchat device ban on iOS and Android. Remember, if you are still facing issue, don't hesitate to reach out to Snapchat support. And if you have any questions, then comment on this video, must like and subscribe to get more interesting and latest information on social media.